We are very excited to be here in this very video that is none other than the motivational skills. Before I come to the topic, I thanks to the doctors in this world and also world of a modern medicine and also the high-tech treatments at where the patients, those who are very safe, and every day many patients are cured from the diseases, they come to the good health and also the doctors great treatment. So we are always thanks to the doctors, those who look after to the patients, those who are always ready to give the treatment like 24/7 and ready to give and heal the health of their patients. But I am going to discuss you here in this very video the doctor who is very supreme and who is very top of all those doctors, those who are there in this world. That is none other than the nature. The nature is also considered as the world's supreme doctor who is available to you every day, every time. And also the other 6 doctors, those who are working under this supreme doctor are called as the nature. These 6 doctors are absolutely available to you every day with the free of cost, without any side effects, and these doctors don't wear any coats. These doctors, they don't charge you any consultation fees and they don't write any prescription on a paper, and they have the power to heal you and they have energize you. They have the power to give you the immunity power, what the human being always expected to live for a healthy life. They are called as the natural resources and the personification of the natural doctors. I'm going to discuss you the 6 doctors one by one. The first natural resource and the personification of a first doctor, that is sunlight. Why we take the sunlight every day? So once we can take the sunlight every day, it gives vitamin D. This vitamin D boosts our mood, it strengthens our muscles, it strengthens our bone, it gives a power to our muscles, and it gives immunity power to our body. So every day we confront to the first doctor from the nature who is available to you with a free of cost, then our health will going to be better. Second one is the fresh air. The fresh air is also available to you everywhere in this nature, in this environment, when outside of the home, inside of the home, wherever we go, we confront this air. When we get every day this air, because of this air we live. If we are not taking the air, we will going to die. For example, when we get the air every second, this air converted as oxygen to the human being. When we can get this oxygen from the plants, when the plants release this oxygen we can take as our breath. And we also release the carbon dioxide by absorbing this oxygen. Once we release the carbon dioxide directly, it goes to the plants are absorbing this carbon dioxide. This oxygen interdependent between the plants and the human being. Human being release the carbon dioxide, plants absorb it and they are going to live. The plants release oxygen, the human being absorb it and they are going to live. When we get this fresh air, it improves our breathing, it gives a new energy, and it gives some mental clarity to the human being. So that's why the fresh air is also called as the natural doctor to us. And the third important natural doctor that I'm going to talk you today here, proper diet. Proper diet means what we eat, what we can't, which is very good for health and which is not, and how we can get, how much we get. This is also very important. So once we are using the proper diet, what we eat, what we can, which vegetable is good for health, which is not, which non-vegetable is good for health, once we not, this is also very important for us. This is also called as the third important, the natural doctor who is available to you. So that's why we always balancing our eating the food, balancing our diet, natural vegetables every day and fruits every day. These are all given here. They are full of vitamins, minerals, iron, energy, fiber to you. So it really nourishes to your health and it energizes to your body perfectly. So it is also very important. A fourth important, the natural doctor who is available to us every day, that is exercise. So whether we are going to the gym or not, whenever, if it is okay, if there is no problem to us, we are doing our exercise in our home, we are going to do that. That exercise is also very important. If we are going to do the exercise regularly, it strengthens your muscles, it balances your heart level, and it balances your sugar level, and it balances your blood pressure. So in early morning every day, once we are going for walking, once we are going for jogging, that is the best example to you to make that exercise every day. Your health going to be perfect. There is no problem to you. You can balance your health. You can strengthen everything so what you wanted to get it. And then if you are going to make some exercise, make some yoga every morning, it strengthens to your mind and body. It refreshes to your mind, refreshes to your brain, and it balancing your health. So do everyday yoga and exercise. Another important, that is the fifth natural doctor, that is the rest. For example, we can give some rest to our body as well as to our mind by sleeping. Every night we are going to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Then the rest will, I am going to give surety that it heals the body and it gives some refreshness to your mind. Whenever you are going to take rest, give rest to your body, to your mind and your brain. Repairs to your tissue problem and consolidates the memory and regulates hormones and also appetite during the sleep. So that is very important to you. And another, last but not least, that stands as the natural resource and the personification of the sixth natural resource, who helps to you a lot to strengthen your body, to strengthen your health. That is none other than the water. Water, it really helpful. How the air, the oxygen is helpful to our life. It's the second important, the natural resource, the natural doctor, that is always fully available for everyone. That is none other than the water. Water is considered as the nectar, which is directly come from the heaven. How it come from the heaven, as just like the same we are using at least 2 to 3 liters every day. This water, we are going to solve the problem of dehydration, and also we are going to solve the problem of all temperature problems, digestion problem, joint pains, and also circulation problem, everything. So once we use the water regularly, your health, I am going to give some surety that your health will going to be fit and you will always fit and fine forever, your forever life. So with all these natural doctors, if you, including me, we are going to take regularly with a perfect respect, then our health will going to be stand on the top, and our health will going to be fit forever. With this hope, I will going to stop my video. In my next video, we are going to talk a lot of things to you related to the same platform of our channel that is called as Motivational Skills. Until then, we are going to meet our next video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.